Okay, now that we've gotten the carport ready and we've taken everything off of it, we're now ready to dig the hole. So before we dig the hole, the first thing we have to do is measure the area and make sure that we're digging the hole the correct width and length. To make it really easy on ourselves, we just put markers where we plan to dig. We bought this backhoe in the background here earlier this year specifically for this project. The hole itself needs to be slightly bigger than the carport. That's so that it's really easy to get the carport into the hole and also to allow us to put supports and drainage on the sides. So that'll be about 10 feet once all said and done.
I'm going to go a bucket wider so we can put on each side, so we can put the gravel on the sides of it for drainage.
Okay. So now that we have all that marked out, we are ready to actually begin digging the hole. So he's taking all of this dirt here and moving it over to the other side of the property where we're going to begin leveling out the land for another building. But this dirt obviously can't stay here because there's no point to it here at all. Day one, we got half of this hole we're digging complete. We'll finish the rest of it tomorrow. Is it right? Is that the right width or length? Yeah. It's a big hole. So the hole's been dug. It only took a few hours. It's been really hot, but it's done, and now we're ready to start putting the gravel in there and begin the next part of this project. So go ahead and click on the next video. It should be somewhere on this side of the screen, and you can see how we actually got the carport into the hole.